Good afternoon, LA 10. Today is your 20 time presentation workday. Hopefully you have everything squared away with your hands-on portion of your project and you are ready to just focus in on those presentations. If you haven't started it at all, you are going to need to make very good time today because you only have 2 more in-class workdays, including today, to work on it. You have today and you have Monday. Tomorrow will be discussion day on your final discussion day for Lit Circles. And then Tuesday of next week, we will practice presentations and then we start them on Wednesday. So how exactly do we go about creating our presentation? Well, like we talked about last week, the first thing you need to do is kind of have 2 different documents that you're working on. A Word document where you are typing out what you're saying, like bullet points, right? And the second document should be your whatever you're using for media, whether that's PowerPoint or a Word document that you're flipping through or you're creating a new Weebly or any other form of online media would be just fine. So you've got your PowerPoint and you've got your Word document. Bullet point, here's what I'm saying. Slide, here's what they're seeing. Well, that's what I'm saying. That's the way I would go about it. And just go bullet point slide, bullet point slide. That would make it very easy to transition and you would know where you need to flip your slides. Okay. Please remember, what is on your slide should enhance your presentation, not be your presentation, right? It should not say word for word the same thing that's coming out of your mouth. Lots and lots of pictures, images, depending on what your research was on, you might want charts or graphs, those kinds of things. But we don't need to reread what you're already saying. All right. When you use images, you do need to make sure you cite those. You can just copy and paste the link to the image on the final slide of your PowerPoint presentation. Let's see. As far as learning environment is concerned today, Mrs. Nigvinda will be on top of this. You need to be doing your work. That means put your cell phones away. There's no reason to have us ask a second time. We can just start collecting those, okay, if that becomes a problem. You should be quiet and focused and working. Finally, Lit Circles is tomorrow, so make sure that if you have not finished that stuff yet, you finish your novel, you work on your vocabulary identification worksheet, you finish your last analysis response, and you write 3 discussion questions to bring to the table with your group. Other than that, I hope you have a wonderful afternoon, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.